If you want to know how to use Blur on ClipChamp, you've come to the right place. So firstly, we need to create a new project, and also I'd like to import some media inside. So I'd like to use 2 of these videos, and after that we can easily add them on our timeline, and I'd like to use one as a background and also one as the top, the background like this. So as you can see, now we can find that our videos look like this, basically nothing special. And what if we want to add some blur effect? Do we have a solution on ClipChamp? Yes, we have. So in order to use blur, we just simply need to use to click on the necessary object on our timeline we'd like to blur, and then in the right side we need to click on effects right up here. So after that, as you can see, we can find a lot of different effects, but what is interesting as for us is blur and blur fill. And as you can see, blur gives us the opportunity to blur our object, and the blur fill blurs everything instead of the object. So for example, if you want to blur only the central icon, we need to use the blur effect. And we can also change the blur settings. So as you can see, the blur parameters are changing, and the same thing we can do with the blur fill. And now as you can see, we can use both of these effects or maybe only one of them. We can also change the blur strength, change the blur fill right up here. But basically these are 2 ways of how can we use blur. Also we can find the glass effect. As you can see, it also looks like blur, but maybe something different inside. At least on the blur area we can manage our blur strength. Also we can find a lot of different effects, for example retro graphics, smoke, as you can see. So you can easily find something which is suitable as for you. As for me, ClipChamp is pretty easy to use, but it provides not that huge amount of different opportunities we can use. As you can see, we have only like 2 blurs inside of this app. So this is a way of how can we use blur on ClipChamp. Hope this video helped you out. Please leave a like, comment, subscribe. Wish you a very good day. Goodbye.